Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at some exciting new parts for the 66 to 77 Broncos. An extremely high wear part, the window regulators on classic vehicles took a lot of abuse from continuous use, and chances are yours are severely worn or perhaps even broken. Dennis Carpenter has authentically reproduced the regulators for these classic first generation Broncos. Made from heavy gauge steel, they are coated in a premium black E-coat finish to protect them from rust and corrosion, and includes the lift channel roller bushing. Available in the left or right hand side, they are a direct fit for the 67 to 77 Broncos, but can be used in the 66 model by using the 67 to 77 style window crank. So if your windows won't roll up and down like they should, a Dennis Carpenter window regulator will get your glass on track and back to that factory smooth operation. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.